Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll explain a combination of solid consisting of a sphere and a frustum of a cone. So in this case, a sphere of diameter 45 mm rests centrally over a frustum of a cone of base diameter 60 mm, top diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm. Draw its isometric projection. To draw the isometric projection of the combination of solid, let us start with the frustum of a cone. This frustum of a cone has a base diameter 60 mm, top diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm. So base is 60 mm diameter, so you should draw a square base and enclose the ellipse inside the square base. So square base to enclose is of 60 mm side, so you draw 60 mm at an angle of 30 degree, then again 60 mm at an angle of 150 degree, then again 60 at an angle of 210 degree, then you can close this base. So this will give the square base of the enclosed square base. Okay, so here you have to draw the ellipse using 4 center method. So you draw both the diagonals, then connect from this minor and this end of the diagonal, you connect to the center of this side. Again from here connect to the center. Now you can use the arc by center point with this as center, this intersection you can select center, this as radius, draw an arc to meet the midpoint. So again from here as intersection as a center, arc radius is equal to this, draw an arc till it meets the center of the. Now this point is center, radius is equal to this, draw an arc till it meets the center. So here this point is center, and from here, okay, radius you can take until it meets here. So you got the base, you can select it and just move it to the center. Now you have to draw the top face. Top face you can copy this and scale down. Okay, so this is of 60 mm sides, a square base of 60 mm side, so it is a 60 mm diameter base. Now top face is 40 mm diameter, so you have to scale down this, and height of the frustum of a cone is 60 mm, so you can copy this. You use the move command to move a copy of this. From the center of the base, you just move by a step distance. You can use the tab key to go to the step distance input field. There you give 60 mm and then press enter. So now you can move the mouse. So when you move to the top, you will get a step there. When the mouse temporarily stops, click, and then you get a copy of this. Now this you have to scale down. So scale down, it's already selected. You can use a scale factor to scale down that. Scale factor, you want to reduce from 60 side to 40 side. So from 60 you are reducing to 40. So scale factor should be 40 by 60. So you can directly type 40 divided by 60. That means from 60 you are reducing to 40. So you can press enter. And now which is the reference point? Reference point is this point, center of the top face is a reference point. You should scale down this. So you can select the center of the top face. Click now. So that has scaled down this ellipse. Now you can draw tangents to this that will give the frustum of a cone. Now I'll zoom this a little bit. Now I'll select this line tool, and when you get the point on element anywhere on this part of the curve, you can click and draw. As you move the mouse, this will move on the curve. Okay. Now when you get the tangent and tangent indication and point on element, you can stop there. Okay. So that will give the tangent to the ellipse. So you are drawing tangent to these two ellipses. Now if you move here, you can see an alignment indicator here. So the same point you can click, and point on element you should see, and this alignment indicator also. So now you can click and just move down. When you get the tangent and symbol and point on element, you can click. So that will give the tangent. So you got the frustum of a cone. Now you have to fix the full sphere on top of this. So I'll use the fit command. Now the sphere center you should locate. From the center of the top face, you have to take the radius of the sphere. True radius I'll take, then later scale down. So the center is at a height of radius. Radius is 22.5 because it's a 45 mm diameter sphere. So you have to take 22.5. So now you can locate this is the center of the sphere. Now before drawing the sphere with a true diameter, you have to scale down this. So that is important. Not after completing the drawing. Now you should scale down. Select this. Use the scale factor 0.816. That is a isometric scale. So you have to scale down to 0.816. You can use a reference point like this. Now you scale down this. Now you can use the circle command. You have the center of the sphere. So this is the center. Okay. Draw the circle of radius diameter 45 mm. Okay. So you have drawn this. I'll zoom this. Now the visible part you have to show. So here so arc you have to split. So use the split command. Select this arc. The intersection you can split. Again this part of arc. This part of arc you can select and split at the intersection. And then this part of arc you can select, and at the end of this line you can split this arc, and again at the end of this line you can split. Now you can show the visible part of the solid. It's visible. This tangent lines are visible. Okay, this arc is visible. This part of arc is visible. This part of arc is visible. Sphere is completely visible. So you can use the visible line. So that completes the isometric projection. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.